Welcome to Mukam Coding Mentors channel. We are taking C++ programming language from beginners to advanced level. Today we will see how we can pass a value to the functions. Basically there are two ways by which we can pass any value to the function, that is call by value and call by reference. You can also say a pass by value or pass by reference, as we are passing a value to the functions. In the pass by value we are passing the value, so the uh, value is not modified, means whatever we passed first will not be changed in the main function. And in the call by reference we actually refer to the memory stack where the function is being stored, so that is why the value will be modified. So you can pause the video and you can read it out in depth, how we can change the value. So it's all about the memory location. And if we give an ampersand symbol, then that time the value will be changed of inside the memory. And in call by value, value will be not modified, it will be different in the memory. In this call by value and call by reference is actually taken in the view of the memory stack. So let's see a practical example here. So there are two programs by which we can pass a value. So you can see there is a library and the standard namespace being written. So the function is being written in which the actual value is been given. However, in the main function the value is been deferred and it is changed to 10. So it will be calling the same function, main function, my function, but the value will be in the memory. If you could understand the stack or memory which are being there, that is inside the CPU, that will remain as it is. So there will be difference only in the value, but the memory remain the same. So it is not modified because the inside in internal location remains the same in call by value. However, if you will look here, in the call by reference, the value main function, here the same code is being used, but the value is referring to the same location, so the value will be not modified. Let's check, compile and run. So the memory will be same, however the value is also be same, so it is not modified because it is referring to the same location. However, in the call by value the value is not different, it will be different only if you are using a call by value. And in call by reference the value is actually locating to the memory of that same location. So that's it for today. I hope you could have understood, and if you have not understood you can refer to another sources also, because it is difficult for me to understand as well. So hope so you could like my video and understood whatever you will be learning from now. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.